Life Portrait Drawing by Alexander Prishkin. Part 2.
Итак, для того, чтобы максимально передать ощущение объема,
To depict three-dimensional volumes when rendering tonal values in a portrait, it is better to apply pencil strokes across forms, not along them. Pencil strokes go across the forehead planes. The direction of strokes helps to reveal the angles of the planes. The line of the lower jaw overlaps the outline of the lobule of the ear, which in turn overlaps the outline of the neck. Therefore, it is important to keep the hierarchy of contrasts in the same order. The first line is strong, the next one is a bit weaker, and the last one is softer than the previous two. The front outline of the neck, as well as its back outline, is tilted diagonally. The exact tilt can be measured by extending the line until it crosses other lines at some points. The distance from the pit of the neck to the chin is equal to the distance from the chin to the nose. This proportion can vary from model to model. It has to be measured in life and marked in drawing accordingly. It is very important to show in drawing how lines overlap each other. Every portion of an outline, when it curves inward, pulls darker tonal values with it. The outline that marks light areas of the face shall be lighter and slimmer. We can use an eraser to make it lighter. One junior mistake you need to avoid is rendering one part of a drawing to completion while forgetting to touch the rest. The sequence of drawing should be symmetrical. Form one part of the head or face to its counterpart. The good approach is to use the same direction and style of pencil strokes on both sides of the head, so paired facial elements will look similar to each other. Another tip in portrait drawing is to pay more attention to the borders between planes. Such places describe the geometry and construction of a head. Also, keep in mind that those parts of the head that are closer to a viewer have to be rendered with more attention, with sharper contrast, and in more detail than those parts that are farther away.